I say this a lot to reporters, but in the world of like only one result coming out of a generative system, we have actually a really big problem on our hands. But to start there, we kind of need to rewind and try to get like our values in place and figure out what's the pathway for us to actually do this at the scale that we think we need to make the change. So the phrase that we use a lot inside Mozilla is that, are you an owner or are you a renter? And that's maybe the litmus test that we've been using on a lot of technology these days, especially when it comes to AI. Like, are you owning the AI that's in your pocket, or are you renting it from a big corporation or someone else that just might have a different incentive system that you work on? So, the thing I worry about is we might be careening toward a world of 7 AGIs, plus or minus some. But the world that I want to live in is a 7 billion AGI world. Like, I want us each to have the AGI in our pocket that's actually truly on our side, similar to the way that Firefox is actually supposed to be on your side. So like, how do we actually build to get to that place that we can experience that? Well, I also think about this a lot when it comes to how these generative tools are presenting information to us. Like, I think we've all underestimated how much the 10 blue links on a Google search page has actually done. Like, I think in the world of those 10 blue links, you're seeing dissent, you're seeing incentives, you're seeing all these things that are encoded and displayed to you. You might put in the periphery, you might not exactly understand how PageRank works, but you kind of get a feel of like why these things are on that page. But I say this a lot to reporters, but in the world of like only one result coming out of a generative system, we have actually a really big problem on our hands. Like, that one response, it could actually be encoding a whole set of incentives that you don't know what's going on. Like, in my former job, I used to be in the political world, whole other crazy thing we could talk about. But like, I actually believe this becomes a democracy problem in a lot of different ways. So we need to solve this on the technical and the architectural side to prevent the kind of democracy problems that social media and other things have maybe inflicted upon all of us.